11 Proven Health Benefits of Garlic. Part 2. 4. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke are responsible for more deaths than almost any other condition. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the most important factors that may lead to these diseases. Human studies have found garlic supplements to have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. In one study, 600 to 1,500 milligrams of aged garlic extract were just as effective as the drug atenolol at reducing blood pressure over a 24-week. Supplement doses must be fairly high to have the desired effect. The amount needed is equivalent to about 4 cloves of garlic per day. Summary: high doses of garlic appear to improve blood pressure for those with known high blood pressure, hypertension. In some instances, supplements may be as effective as regular medications. Five. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic can lower total and LDL, bad cholesterol. For those with high cholesterol, garlic supplements appear to reduce total and LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Looking at LDL, bad, and HDL, good cholesterol specifically, garlic appears to lower LDL but has no reliable effect on HDL. High triglyceride levels are another known risk factor for heart disease, but garlic seems to have no significant effects on triglyceride levels. Garlic supplements seem to reduce total and LDL, bad cholesterol, particularly in those who have high cholesterol. HDL, good cholesterol, and triglycerides do not seem to be affected. 6. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans, as well as significantly reduce oxidative stress in people with high blood pressure. The combined effects on reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as the antioxidant properties, may reduce the risk of common brain conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic contains antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage and aging. It may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. 7. Garlic may help you live longer. The potential effects of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans. But given the beneficial effects on important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can fight infectious diseases is also an important factor, because these are common causes of death, especially in the elderly or people with dysfunctional immune systems. 8. Athletic performance might be improved with garlic supplement. Garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. It was traditionally used in ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and improve the work capacity of workers. Most notably, it was given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. Rodent studies have shown that garlic helps with exercise performance, but very few human studies have been done. In one small study, people with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks had a 12% reduction in peak heart rate and better exercise capacity. However, a study on 9 competitive cyclists found no performance benefit. Other studies suggest that exercise-induced fatigue may be reduced with garlic. Garlic may improve physical performance in lab animals and people with heart disease. The benefits for people without heart disease are not yet conclusive. Ultimately, more research is needed. 9. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. A 4-week study in employees at a car battery plant who had excessive exposure to lead found that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by 19%. It also reduced many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and blood pressure. 3 doses of garlic each day even outperformed the drug D-penicillamine in reducing symptoms. 10. Garlic may improve bone health. No human studies have measured the effects of garlic on bone loss. However, rodent studies have shown that it can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen in females. One study in menopausal women found that a daily dose of dry garlic extract, equal to 2 grams of raw garlic, significantly decreased a marker of estrogen deficiency. This suggests that this supplement may have beneficial effects on bone health in women. Foods like garlic and onions may also have beneficial effects on osteoarthritis. 11. Garlic is easy to include in your diet and adds flavor. The last one is not a health benefit but is still important. Garlic is very easy to include in your current diet. It complements most savory dishes, especially soups and sauces. The strong taste of garlic can also add a punch to otherwise bland recipes. Garlic comes in several forms, from whole cloves and smooth pastes to powders and supplements like garlic extract and garlic oil. A common way to use garlic is to press a few cloves of fresh garlic with a garlic press, then mix it with extra virgin olive oil and a bit of salt. This works as a very simple and nutritious salad dressing.